Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me. If you haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. And if you have been here before, welcome back. If you don't mind, if you're new here, go on and subscribe to my channel. And if you aren't new here and you're still not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Let's go on and subscribe to my channel and we will go on and get started with this look. So today's look is just going to be a super easy, I'm going to do a neutral kind of just brown natural eye. I'm going to be filming twice today, so we'll be doing another video after this. So I have on my brows obviously, and I have on foundation, concealer, powder, so I'm just gonna go on and do the rest of my face and my eye, and yeah, so let's get started. I am going to be going in with the Benefit Cheek Stars Reunion Tour palette. It smells so good. It smells so good. I love this. So this is the Reunion Tour palette. It has a brush that comes with it, and then these, that one is so shiny. These colors, so like a blushy bronze, a blush, a bronze. This is like their like well-known bronzer, and then this one right here, that is going to be their like one of their, I'm pretty sure it's a best-selling highlighter. It's Cookie. So we will go on and get started with that. I'm going to be going in with a Morphe M527, and I'm going to be going in with Dallas. It has a little bit of like a sheen to it. It's not like sparkly, it's not glittery, it's like a satiny kind of finish. And I just barely tap into that, and I'm just going to build it up because I don't want a very heavy look today. I say that and then I'll get to the eye look and then I'll be like full glam, but it's fine. I've been trying this new foundation and I'm really liking it. It's the True Match Lumi Healthy Luminous Makeup, and it's not like a full coverage foundation. And it has, what is it, SPF 20? Yeah, SPF 20 in it, and I really like it. And if my next video wasn't going to be like a clothing try on, I probably would have not even powdered my face, because the way it was just like glowing and looking without powder on it just looked so good. I am kind of bringing it in a little just to give me like a nice little sun-kissed look, even though I haven't seen the sun in several days now. It's super rainy and overcast here. So the next product I'm going to be going in with is from Jouer, and it is their Darling Blush Duo, and it's with the shades Embrace Me and Love Me, and it has a mirror in it, so I'll try and hold that down. But let's see, Embrace Me and Love Me, and I'm just going to kind of dab into both of them. And I'm using a Morphe E4 brush. I really like this. Yesterday, I think, was the first time I've used this brush. And I just really like the way, like, how it feels in my hand, how sturdy it is. But I just really like the way it also just disperses the blush so lightly. These shades are also, like, satiny, so they're not a true matte. I'm trying to keep today's look a little more glowy, not as matte as normal. So I'm just going to be going in now with the Jaclyn Hill Mood Powder highlighter in shade, let's see, Brighten Up. And I'm going to be going in with the JH01 brush. And then just like the same technique as normal, I'm just going to go right on the like apples, very front of my cheek. So it's just like a nice subtle glow and not a huge highlight glow. Last for the face, I'm going to be going in with Cookie from the tour, the Benefit, what is it, Cheek Stars Reunion Tour palette. I'm just going to barely dab into that. So for eye today, we're going to be going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. If you don't know what it looks like this. A lot more bright, vibrant colors than her first palette, but it still does have some really nice neutral colors. So we're going to be going in with this, maybe a little bit of bronzy golds. We'll see what we can create. So before I go in with my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the original shade. And I'm just going to be putting that all over my lids with a 224 Morphe brush. So my eyes are now primed. I'm gonna go on in with my first shade, and I'm gonna be using Perfectionist right here, and I'm gonna be using a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. I'm just gonna be putting that right in my upper like crease area. The next color I'm gonna be going in with is Thick Skin, this like darker brown right here. It has a little bit of like a pinky rosy color in it, and I'm going to be going in with an M456 brush. So now I'm going to be going in with her original palette, and I'm going to be going in with this color right here, and I'm just going to be kind of focusing that like right in my crease. I'm going to be going in with the Morphe 506 brush. So I went on and I did my lower lash line. I went in and put Mocha, which was that dark brown from the original palette, on my lash line really tight, only going to about here-ish. And then I put in, what is it? Thick Skin, which was like the darker neutral shade that we used. It has a little bit of a pinky orange look on the eye in this lighting, and I kind of just blew that out and brought it in. So next we're going to be going in with this Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow and Rose Gold Retro. I'm going to be using a Jaclyn Hill JH48 brush. And the reason I went in with an actual brush instead of the applicator was just so that I could get this really like cut crease line without having to go in with a concealer or a primer or anything like that to actually cut it. I just used this so that I can get a nice sharp line. And then I'm also just like kind of letting my eyes stay as creaseless as possible right now as it's drying, so I don't get it everywhere. So now I'm gonna go back in with that Mocha color and just tap right along the sides so that that glitter is like meshed well and it's not a harsh line. Now I'm gonna go in with her loose highlighters. I don't remember which ones these were. They're not the same name that she calls them as they are on the stickers, but this one is Bomb. And I'm just going to be taking the lid with a, what brush is this? A Morphe M431. And I'm just going to tuck that into my inner corner. I went on and went off camera and finished off the rest of this look. So I'll go on and walk you through that real quick. So in my waterline into tight line, I went in with the Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer in shade Rich Brown. After that, I went on and did a winged liner today, so I guess I did go a little more dramatic than I wanted, but I really am happy with how this turned out. I went in with my Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner, Hank & Henry Slick with it. Very dramatic liner. I don't know if it's even the same, but hey, it's okay. Then for mascara, I went in with my Mile High Club and from Wander Beauty, and for lashes I did the Eyelure Exaggerate number 143. I remember last time I did this, I think it was actually my last video, I wore these. I did not like them. After wearing them for a while, they just started digging into like just feeling uncomfortable on my lash line, and they are just super curly, and no matter what I did, I can't get them to like flatten out, not even a little bit. They were a little easier putting them on this time, but they were still kind of, the corners kind of poked. But we'll see how this wear goes with it. And you can't really, I don't think these were the right ones for this look. You can't really see my lashes, so I probably should have went with even more of a dramatic lash, but hey, it's on. I don't feel like taking it off. It's fine. And then for my, let's see what's left, lips, I went in with the lip liner, the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in shade Bumble, and then I put on the NYX Powder Puff Lippy in shade Best Buds just on the center. And then for gloss, I went in with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb, and I took that, so I didn't get the applicator dirty. I just put that on my lips and kind of dotted that, and then kind of just blotted my lips together to kind of disperse it. But then there is that. So I'm going to be going in, since I'm trying to keep it kind of a glossy, dewy look today, I'm going to be going in with the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. But there is the finished look. I hope you all like this look. I think it turned out far more amazing than I thought, because at first I wasn't even going to be using this stila, but then inspiration struck. So I like this. I think it looks really good. I need to get my eyebrows done real quick. I'm glad I got to just sit down, hang out, do some makeup, and it's been a while, I know, but because it's been a while, you guys are going to be getting 2 videos, and I'm going to be doing a try-on haul from Midmo Trends again. Is this coming off? Indeed it is. But I'm going to be doing a try-on haul, and so keep your eyes open for that, because that will be coming up shortly. Go on and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're new here, go on and subscribe, because you're going to be back. Go on and give this video a thumbs up, and then don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I upload. I hope you all are having a great week, staying safe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!